guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress Gwaan. So today I am going to show you how to get yourself ready for work, or you don't have to put on a ton of makeup if you don't want to, just your eyebrows, and get out the door, because sometimes we really don't have that time. So let's get into it. All right, okay, so I'm going to use my Anastasia by Beverly Hills angled brush. You can use any one of your choice, but I like this because it's so stiff. The bristles are stiff, so it gives you that nice sharp look, so you don't have to keep going over. It makes it much quicker. Well, this is hers as well, Anastasia Beverly Hills dip pomade. If you don't have a dip pomade, if you don't have like a eyeliner pencil, you can always use eyeshadow. Right now I'm just going to start from almost at the starting of, so I'm going to start from right there, from right here, and work my way across, making sure that I follow my natural arch. If you don't have a natural arch, you can form one. Just make sure when you reach your brow bone right here, you go down and give it a little swerve. I'm more so good at demonstrating than to tell you the specifics. Right? And then I work my way up at the front, following the hairlines. And then lightly do that because I don't want it as dark as the rest of it. And I just blend it out. Let me show you the other side using eyeshadow. This is from my Morphe palette. Ooh, it's a little dark. Let me use the other shade. We'll use this shade to tone it down and blend with the spoolie. The spoolie makes it all the more easier. I'm just blending out the harshness that was right there, and just do that same process for the front. Just gonna blend that right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my foundation, and this is Coconut Maybelline Fit Me Coconut shade, which is my complexion, and that's how I'm going to even everything out so it looks seem as if I don't have makeup on. So it's so much easier to blend out. If you feel like it was messy, you could do the top. Just clean the top up a little. Just gonna use a brush and blend that out in your skin because it's your foundation anyway. So whatever you want to, you know, hide, you can always blend it in to your skin. See, I have some dark spots up here. Just gonna blend it upward. And to cover my eyelids, since my eyelids are a little dark, and there you have it. Okay? And that's how you do your eyebrows to go to work. And now I'm in a hurry. I gotta go. So I have work and I decided, oh, let me show you my little hack so that you can try it yourself and be on your way without, you know, too much of a rush. I don't know why I wear lip gloss anymore because you have to put the mask on. I guess to keep your lips supple. But that's about it. Let me go put some earrings on and I am out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you did like it and if you did find it helpful, leave a comment down below. It makes me so happy when you use my hacks. So let me know if this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video.